Okie dokie, so now let's talk about all of our blood vessels that exist in our body. So blood vessels are super easy, and just remember we have two different circuits, okay? So here is the heart, and we have the systemic circuit. Okay, basically blood vessels that supply nutrients and waste and all different types of exchange to the body. And then we also have the pulmonary circuit. So we have two circuits, pulmonary, I guess I don't know how to spell today, circuit. And what happens is oxygenated blood from the heart will get pumped, okay? And this is going to go through the aorta, which is the biggest artery series in the body, and then it will spread through the arteries, and then it will further spread into the arterioles, and then it will go down to the capillaries where actual exchange takes place. And only after the capillaries has finished its exchange, okay, the blood will actually start to pick up and pull, and the venules are going to start transporting the blood over back to the heart via veins, and then finally the vena cava. And then back to the heart. That's it. No big deal. All right, so now let's continue and let's talk about the pulmonary circuit. Now blood from the heart will be pumped, but this time it's going to be deoxygenated blood, and deoxygenated blood will be pumped into the pulmonary artery. And again, remember, blood going away from the heart is the artery series, and then in the lungs, it's going to go through gas exchange via capillaries. And then the capillaries is going to now supply oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein back into the heart. So a question that they love to ask on all standardized tests is that not all arteries will be carrying oxygenated blood, and that is precisely because of the pulmonary artery. Does that make sense? Good. Understand that everything in the aorta series, aorta all the way to arterioles, they do nothing but transportation of blood. They transport blood. They do not do exchange. Again, the veins as well, they only transport blood. They do not do exchange. So capillaries are the only area where actual exchange happens in both pulmonary circuit and the systemic circuit.